Imagine this. Every single night, while you're fast asleep, your kidneys are working harder than you do all day. They quietly filter nearly 50 gallons of blood, remove waste, balance fluids, and help control your blood pressure. But here's the surprising part. One simple mistake before bed could make that job much harder. Most people believe kidney health is only about drinking more water or eating less salt. That's only part of the story. What you eat in the last hour before sleep can either help your kidneys recover overnight or put extra stress on them for the next 7 to 8 hours. The good news is that some fruits can actually support your kidneys while you sleep. They're packed with antioxidants, low in potassium, and backed by scientific research. In today's video, you'll discover 8 of the best bedtime fruits that may help support kidney health, reduce inflammation, and even improve your sleep. Most people eat it the wrong way, and that one mistake can take away many of its benefits. So before you reach for your next bedtime snack, make sure you're not making this common mistake. Let's begin. Before we talk about the best fruits, you need to understand what your kidneys actually do while you sleep. Your kidneys are 2 bean-shaped organs located just below your ribs. They may be small, but they do one of the most important jobs in your body. Every day, they filter around 50 gallons of blood. They remove waste, get rid of extra fluids, balance important minerals, and help control your blood pressure. The amazing part is that this work never stops. Even when you're sleeping, your kidneys stay busy. In fact, nighttime is when your body shifts into repair mode. While your brain and muscles rest, your kidneys continue cleaning your blood and keeping everything in balance for the next day. That's why your bedtime routine matters more than most people realize. Eating heavy, salty, or highly processed foods before bed can make your kidneys work even harder. But choosing the right foods can help support their natural overnight function. Many people believe they have to avoid all fruits to protect their kidneys. That's simply not true. While some fruits are high in potassium and may need to be limited by people with advanced kidney disease, many others are naturally low in potassium and packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber that help fight inflammation and support overall kidney health. In this video, we're focusing on those kidney-friendly fruits. These are fruits that can be a smart bedtime choice for many people because they provide important nutrients without placing unnecessary stress on healthy kidneys. And the first fruit on our list is one of the best nighttime foods you can eat. Let's start with the fruit that stands out from every other fruit on this list. If there is one fruit that seems almost made for bedtime, it's tart cherries. Unlike regular sweet cherries, tart cherries contain natural plant compounds that may help your body prepare for sleep. One of these compounds is melatonin, a hormone that helps regulate your natural sleep cycle. Better sleep doesn't just help you feel refreshed the next morning. It also gives your kidneys a better environment to do their overnight work. Here's why that matters. While you're sleeping, your blood pressure normally drops. This is a healthy process that gives your kidneys a chance to recover from the stress of the day. But poor sleep can interrupt this natural pattern, forcing your kidneys to work under more pressure for hours. Over time, that extra stress may affect kidney health. Tart cherries offer another important benefit. They are rich in antioxidants that help fight inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. These are 2 major factors linked to kidney damage and many other chronic health problems. At the same time, tart cherries are naturally low in potassium compared to many other fruits, making them a better choice for people who need to watch their potassium intake. However, if you have advanced kidney disease or have been told to follow a strict potassium limit, always follow your doctor's or dietitian's advice. The best way to enjoy tart cherries is about 30 to 60 minutes before bedtime. You can eat around half to 1 cup of fresh or frozen tart cherries, or drink a small glass of unsweetened tart cherry juice. Avoid sweetened versions because added sugar can reduce the overall health benefits. And that's just the beginning. The next fruit is one of the world's most powerful antioxidant foods. It may look small, but its benefits for your kidneys are surprisingly big. The second fruit on our list is a tiny superfood with some incredible health benefits. We're talking about blueberries. Don't let their small size fool you. Blueberries are packed with powerful antioxidants called anthocyanins. These natural compounds help protect your cells from damage and fight inflammation throughout the body. Since long-term inflammation is one of the biggest threats to kidney health, eating antioxidant-rich foods can be a smart choice. Blueberries are also naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly option for many people. They provide fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K, all without putting extra pressure on healthy kidneys. Even better, research suggests that regularly eating blueberries may also support heart health. And that's important because your heart and kidneys work closely together. When one stays healthy, it often helps the other. A simple serving of about half a cup is enough. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even add them to plain yogurt for a light bedtime snack. Now let's move to another delicious fruit that's just as impressive. Strawberries are naturally sweet, low in calories, and full of nutrients your body loves. They're an excellent source of vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress. They also contain one of the lowest potassium levels among common fruits, making them a popular choice in many kidney-friendly meal plans. Another reason strawberries deserve a place on this list is their fiber content. Fiber helps slow down digestion, supports healthy blood sugar levels, and feeds the good bacteria in your gut. A healthier gut may also help lower inflammation, which is another plus for your kidneys. For the best results, enjoy about half a cup of fresh strawberries in the evening. You can eat them on their own or combine them with blueberries for an antioxidant-rich bedtime bowl that's both tasty and refreshing. So far, we've covered 2 colorful berries with amazing health benefits. But the next fruit is probably sitting in your kitchen right now. It's affordable, easy to find, and one of the most underrated fruits for kidney health. The next fruit may be small, but don't underestimate it. Blueberries are often called a superfood, and for good reason. These tiny berries are loaded with powerful antioxidants that help protect your body from everyday damage. One of their biggest strengths is a group of natural compounds called anthocyanins. These are the same compounds that give blueberries their deep blue color. More importantly, they help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, 2 factors that can slowly damage your kidneys over time. Blueberries are also naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus. That makes them a kidney-friendly choice for many people, especially when compared to fruits that contain much higher amounts of potassium. They also provide fiber, vitamin C, and vitamin K, giving your body important nutrients without placing unnecessary stress on your kidneys. But that's not all. Your kidneys and your heart are closely connected. When your heart stays healthy, your kidneys often benefit too. Research suggests that the antioxidants in blueberries may support healthy blood vessels and improve overall heart health, making them a smart choice for both organs. The best part is how easy they are to add to your routine. A small serving of about half a cup is all you need. Fresh and frozen blueberries are both excellent options because freezing helps preserve most of their nutrients. Just avoid products with added sugar, as too much sugar can work against your health goals. Blueberries prove that sometimes the smallest foods deliver the biggest benefits. And the next fruit on our list is just as impressive. It's naturally sweet, incredibly refreshing, and one of the safest fruits for many people who want to support healthy kidneys. If you're looking for a fruit that's sweet, refreshing, and kidney-friendly, strawberries deserve a spot on your plate. They're not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that support your overall health. One of the biggest reasons strawberries stand out is their high vitamin C content. Vitamin C acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping protect your cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Since oxidative stress is closely linked to kidney damage, adding antioxidant-rich foods like strawberries to your diet may help support long-term kidney health. Strawberries are also naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them a smart choice for many people following a kidney-friendly diet. On top of that, they're low in calories and rich in fiber. Fiber helps keep your digestive system healthy, supports stable blood sugar levels, and may reduce inflammation throughout the body. Another benefit is hydration. Strawberries contain a high amount of water, making them a light and refreshing evening snack. If you're simply trying to eat healthier before bed, they're a much better option than sugary desserts or processed snacks. The ideal serving is about half a cup of fresh strawberries. Wash them well and eat them whole to enjoy their natural flavor and nutrients. If you want to make your bedtime snack even healthier, mix strawberries with a handful of blueberries. Together, they provide a powerful combination of antioxidants and fiber, without adding unnecessary calories. Strawberries are proof that healthy food doesn't have to be boring. They're naturally sweet, easy to find, and simple to enjoy. But the next fruit on our list might surprise you the most. It's one of the most common fruits in the world, yet many people have no idea how beneficial it can be for their kidneys. You've probably heard the saying, "An apple a day keeps the doctor away." While it's not a medical guarantee, there's a good reason this fruit has earned such a strong reputation. Apples are one of the best fruits you can eat if you want to support your kidneys. They're naturally low in potassium, sodium, and phosphorus, making them a kidney-friendly choice for many people. At the same time, they're rich in fiber, vitamin C, and powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from everyday damage. Here's something many people don't know. Most of an apple's antioxidants are found in the peel. If you remove the skin, you also remove a large part of what makes the fruit so healthy. So whenever possible, wash your apple well and eat it with the peel on. Apples are also high in a special type of fiber called pectin. This fiber slows down digestion, helps keep blood sugar levels more stable, and supports a healthy gut. That's important because frequent blood sugar spikes can place extra stress on your kidneys over time. Another reason apples stand out is that they keep you feeling full for longer. Instead of reaching for cookies, chips, or other processed snacks before bed, a medium-sized apple can satisfy your hunger in a much healthier way. If you like a little extra flavor, sprinkle a pinch of cinnamon on top. It adds great taste without added sugar. One medium apple is the perfect serving. It's simple, affordable, and available almost everywhere, making it one of the easiest kidney-friendly fruits to include in your daily routine. The next fruit is colorful, naturally sweet, and contains a powerful plant compound that has caught the attention of scientists around the world. Let's take a closer look at grapes. The next fruit on our list is one that surprises many people: grapes. They're sweet, juicy, and easy to enjoy, but they also offer some impressive benefits for your kidneys. Red and purple grapes are especially valuable because they contain a powerful antioxidant called resveratrol. This natural compound helps protect your cells from damage and may reduce inflammation in the body. Since chronic inflammation can slowly affect kidney function, adding foods rich in antioxidants is a smart step toward better health. Grapes are also naturally low in potassium compared to many other popular fruits. That makes them a kidney-friendly option for many people. They also provide vitamin C and other plant compounds that support healthy blood vessels and heart function. And that's important because healthy kidneys depend on a healthy heart and good blood circulation. Another thing people love about grapes is how convenient they are. There's no peeling, no cutting, and almost no preparation. Just wash them well and they're ready to eat. If you want a refreshing bedtime snack, try freezing a handful of red or purple grapes. They taste like tiny fruit popsicles and can help satisfy late-night cravings without reaching for sugary desserts. The recommended serving is about half a cup or a small handful. That's enough to enjoy their health benefits while keeping your portion under control. As always, if your doctor has advised you to follow a strict potassium or fluid restriction, make sure your daily intake matches your personal treatment plan. So far, we've covered 5 amazing fruits that can support your kidneys in different ways. But the next fruit is one of the highest fiber berries you can eat, and its benefits go far beyond digestion. It may even help create a healthier environment for your kidneys from the inside out. If there's one fruit that deserves more attention, it's raspberries. They may not be as popular as blueberries or strawberries, but when it comes to nutrition, they're in a league of their own. One of the biggest reasons is their fiber content. A small half-cup serving provides an impressive amount of fiber, helping you stay full longer while supporting healthy digestion. But the benefits don't stop there. Your gut and your kidneys are more connected than most people realize. A healthy gut supports beneficial bacteria, and these bacteria produce natural compounds that help reduce inflammation throughout the body. Since chronic inflammation is one of the biggest contributors to kidney damage, keeping your gut healthy may also help support your kidneys over time. Raspberries are also packed with antioxidants, including vitamin C and natural plant compounds that help protect your cells from oxidative stress. At the same time, they're naturally low in potassium, making them a suitable choice for many people following a kidney-friendly diet. Another advantage is their low sugar content. Compared to many other fruits, raspberries provide plenty of flavor without causing a sharp spike in blood sugar. That's especially helpful because keeping blood sugar under control is one of the best ways to protect your kidneys in the long run. Enjoy about half a cup of fresh or frozen raspberries as a light evening snack. You can eat them on their own or mix them with blueberries and strawberries for an antioxidant-packed fruit bowl. The next fruit on our list is probably the most unexpected one. It's sweet, tropical, and many people assume it's too high in sugar for kidney health. But the truth may surprise you. When most people think about tropical fruits, pineapple isn't usually the first one that comes to mind for kidney health. In fact, many assume it's too sweet to be a healthy choice. But that's not the full story. Pineapple is naturally lower in potassium than many other tropical fruits, making it a better option for many people who are trying to support their kidneys. It's also rich in vitamin C, which helps protect your cells from oxidative stress and supports a healthy immune system. What really makes pineapple special is a natural enzyme called bromelain. This unique compound has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. While bromelain isn't a cure for kidney disease, reducing inflammation is important because long-term inflammation can place extra stress on your kidneys and other organs. Pineapple also contains natural compounds that may help your body relax in the evening. That makes it a refreshing choice for a light bedtime snack, especially if you're looking for something healthier than cookies, candy, or ice cream. One important tip: choose fresh pineapple whenever you can. Fresh pineapple contains much more bromelain than canned pineapple. During the canning process, heat destroys much of this beneficial enzyme. So if your goal is to get the most health benefits, fresh is always the better choice. A serving of about half a cup is enough to enjoy its nutrients without overdoing it. Eat it on its own or combine it with other kidney-friendly fruits for a colorful and refreshing evening snack. We've now covered 7 excellent fruits, but the 8th and final fruit is different. For years, people have believed it's one of the best foods for kidney health. The truth is, it can be helpful, but only if you choose the right form. Most people make the same mistake, and it completely changes the health benefits. Let's uncover the truth. Now we've reached the final fruit on our list, and this one comes with an important warning. For years, cranberries have been linked to kidney and urinary tract health. That's why you'll find cranberry juice and cranberry supplements in almost every grocery store. But here's what most people don't know. The benefits depend entirely on the type of cranberry product you choose. Cranberries contain natural compounds called proanthocyanidins. These compounds may help prevent certain bacteria from sticking to the walls of the urinary tract. This is why cranberries are often associated with helping reduce the risk of recurring urinary tract infections, or UTIs. But here's the catch. Cranberries are not a treatment for an active kidney or urinary tract infection. If you have symptoms like severe pain, fever, burning during urination, or blood in your urine, don't rely on cranberry juice. You should see a healthcare professional as soon as possible. There's another mistake that millions of people make. They buy cranberry juice cocktails thinking they're healthy. The problem is that many of these drinks are loaded with added sugar. Too much added sugar can increase the risk of diabetes, weight gain, and other health problems that may also affect your kidneys over time. If you want the real benefits, choose 100% unsweetened cranberry juice or fresh, frozen, or unsweetened dried cranberries. Always check the label before you buy. A product that says cranberry drink or juice cocktail is often very different from pure cranberry juice. One more thing to remember. If you take blood-thinning medication such as warfarin, talk to your doctor or pharmacist before consuming cranberry products regularly, as they may interact with certain medications. Cranberries can be a healthy addition to your diet, but only when they're used the right way. Choosing the wrong product could mean getting more sugar than benefits. Now that you know all 8 kidney-friendly fruits, let's put everything together. In the final chapter, I'll show you a simple bedtime fruit bowl, share a few important safety tips, and explain who should always talk to their doctor before making changes to their diet. Now that you know all 8 kidney-friendly fruits, the big question is simple. Which ones should you actually eat before bed? A great place to start is a simple fruit bowl. Add half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, and a few tart cherries. This combination gives you antioxidants, fiber, vitamin C, and natural plant compounds that may help support your kidneys while you sleep. It's light, refreshing, and much healthier than processed snacks or sugary desserts. If tart cherries aren't available, don't worry. You can mix any of the kidney-friendly fruits we've discussed, as long as you keep your portions reasonable and avoid products with added sugar. However, there's one important thing to remember. Even healthy foods aren't the same for everyone. If you have advanced chronic kidney disease, are on dialysis, or your doctor has told you to limit potassium or fluids, always follow your personal meal plan. The right amount for one person may not be right for another. It's also a good idea to have your kidney function checked during your regular health visits, especially if you're over 60, have high blood pressure, or are living with diabetes. Simple blood tests can tell your doctor how well your kidneys are working and help guide the best diet for you. Small habits can make a big difference over time. You don't need expensive supplements or complicated detox drinks. Sometimes, choosing a healthier bedtime snack is one of the simplest ways to support your overall health. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which of these 8 fruits is your favorite and which one you're going to try tonight. And if you enjoyed learning about simple, science-based ways to protect your kidneys, don't forget to subscribe. In the next video, we'll reveal the everyday drinks that may be quietly harming your kidneys without you even realizing it. Until then, take care of your kidneys, and they'll keep taking care of you.